Hello friends! Today I want to show you some airfield trucks. Airfield special equipment of the times of the USSR. Special automotive vehicles, trailers and installations. It is specially designed for airfields or serial vehicles, modified to perform specific tasks. The airfield special vehicles were very bright, clearly visible colors, so that aerodrome staff and planes can see them. At military airfields, such as Technic U has a single color or multicolor protective coating. Hope you enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell. See you, bye.